How to connect hosting your domain to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking on how you're going to connect your hosting your domain to Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to do this, all you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead to your hosting your website, okay, where you have your hosting your domain. So you're going to come here. We're going to go ahead into Hostinger, go with whatever website you have your domain on. So let's say we're over here. And, let's say I have claimed a domain. Okay, there's a deal going on right now with 78% off. So yeah, let's say I've claimed this domain. Now, once you have claimed this domain, what's going to happen from here is we are basically going to be taking our domain that we've bought. We're going to come here. We're going to go into the settings of Shopify. We're going to come down to domains. Over here, it's going to say connect an existing domain. And then you're going to add the domain that you just bought off from Hostinger. Apply that over here. And yeah, you should be good to go. So that is how you're going to connect your hosting your domain to Shopify. Thank you for watching this video till the end. And I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.